Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really cool Trippy effect in Premiere Pro. Now you can use this effect in your music video or anything experimental. So right now I've got a video on my timeline that I would like to apply this effect to. Now most of these effects will be done in the Lumetri panel. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to window over here and come down and select Lumetri Color. Also we'll be applying most of this effect in the curve section over here. So we have the white, red, green and blue, and the great thing about this is that you don't actually have to know anything about curves to create this effect. So right here we are going to use the red, green and blue, and then completely ignore the white. We don't really need the white for this tutorial. So what we are going to do is to select the red, for example, and just create random points. And what you can do is just move the points as random as you want them to be. And as you can see, we're already creating this trippy effect over here. So you can move over to green also and just create some other random points. And if you don't like what you are seeing, you can always take it back, hit Ctrl Z to reverse it. So I think that was too much, the green was too much, so I'm just going to change it. So basically what you need to understand is that this top line means you are increasing it, and this bottom line here means you are reducing it. So you're just going to continue to mess with that. So the next thing I want to do, let me hit that back, Ctrl Z. Now I can move to blue, set some other keyframes at random positions, increase here. So select your color here and make some points on the line and begin to adjust to create random points and see what appeals to you. And as you can see, it already looks trippy based on what I did, but you can adjust it to your own liking. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add some noise effects. So come over to your effects library and search for the noise effect, and you select the one under video effects and apply it onto your clip, and move over to your effects control and increase the amount of noise. I'm going to set mine to 20%. And lastly, I'm going to search for the invert effect and drag it onto my clip over here. And as you can see, it's already giving us that thermal look. So basically what I'm going to do is to come over to channel here and change some of the options. So if I come down here, I kind of prefer this last two here. So you can pick between these last two or whatever you like. So there are a lot of awesome options over here. So if I scroll through this timeline now, you can see what we have created over here. So basically this effect is very versatile and experimental, so you just have to play with it till you get what you want. And that's it guys on how to create this thermal trippy effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.